Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thumbre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Walk Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 6 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of practical number 6 is Tables in Document. Why we are performing this practical? A table is an organizational tool that presents information in an organized way in easy to read format. The important features of table are to organize data as well as sort data and perform basic calculations on it. Document can use tables to place information into rows and columns. This practical is useful for adding a table to document and formatting it to combine split table cells or inserting, removing rows and columns to it. It also provides a visual grouping of information. The relevant course outcome is to prepare business document using document processing tools. The practical learning outcome is to insert and apply various formatting features on table. You must require the practical skills like to create tables in document. You can format a table with given specification. You need to insert and delete columns and rows in a table. You can also use the features like to use borders and shading to the table and merge and split cells in a table. While creating a Word document, one can make use of table to give statistical data with its attribute value. Word processing tools gives a freedom to insert a table of user's choice from available menu. The user can format a table as per their convenience. One can make use of table for various purposes like comparison, denoting value in tabular form. To perform this practical, you require resources like computer system. For this, you can use any desktop or laptop computer with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such type of software. Now, I will be going to demonstrate you how to insert table in document, how to perform formatting on table, how to insert and delete columns and rows in a table, also how to use borders and shading and merge and split the cells from table. Let us start with the demonstration. First, you have to open with Microsoft Office Word document. To insert table in Word document, go to Insert tab, then choose the command Table. There are two ways to insert table in Word document. First, choose the option Insert Table or the second option is Draw Table. You may go with any option to insert table in Word document. In first option, you can insert the table with define rows and columns. For example, if I want to insert 5 by 5 means 5 rows and 5 column table, then select this option. There is also one method to insert table. You can click on Insert Table command, then choose the number of columns you required in a table and number of rows that required in a given table, and then click on OK button. So it will insert the table. The second way to insert table is go to Insert tab, then choose the Table command and then click on Draw Table command and then draw the table of given size. Now you can perform multiple different formatting options on a given table. If you want to reposition your table from Word document, then go to the left upper corner, click on this button and then you can move your table anywhere in your document. This is how you are going to move your table from one location to other location. You can also resize table by clicking on right bottom corner of this particular table. So select it and you can change the size of your table also. This is how you are going to resize your table. You can also change your column width. You can minimize or you can increase the column width also. Likewise, you can increase or decrease the row height also by just selecting that particular cell. Now, when you are going to select table, it will display the two different menus under table tool. First one is design and second one is layout. Now go to design. It will display the different editing options available on table. It will group into table style options. You can select the different styles of your table also. Choose the table styles, whatever the styles that you require to create your business document. Now you can also provide the different shading to your table. So for that, go to this shading option and choose the color. It will apply that color as a background color to this particular selected cell. Next, you can choose the border. You can provide bottom border, top border, left, right, all border, no border, outside border, inside border, or different types of border options to the given table. Even change the border style also. You can provide the 2-line, 3-line or different style to the border. Then you can use the pen color. Another one option is eraser. You can use the eraser to erase the given column or given rows from the table. The next tab is layout tab. Here are different options available. If you want to delete table, you just click on delete option. When you are going to click on delete option, it will display the different options like you can delete cell, you can delete column, delete rows, or you can delete your table also. So when I'm going to click on delete table, it will delete the selected table. Now you can also delete a row or column or cell from your table by choosing this option. Now to insert rows and column, there are 4 different options are available. If you want to add a column in table, then select the column where you want to insert column, either to the left or to the right side. So for example, here I want to insert one column between first and second. So I have selected the second column, then click on insert left button. So it will insert a new column to the left of selected column. Or you can also insert column to the right by clicking on insert right button. So it will insert one column to the right of selected column. Likewise, you can also insert rows above and below the selected cell. To do this, select the row and then click on insert above or insert below button. So it will insert rows above and below the selected row. You can use different options to merge cell also. To merge different columns, select the multiple different columns which you want to merge, then click on merge cell option. So it will merge all the columns. Also, you can apply the merge cell option on rows also. So select the particular rows which you want to merge and then click on merge cell. You can also do it by selecting the cells, right click on it and then click on merge cell option. This is also another way to merge the cell. You can even merge column and rows also. Select the column and rows which you want to merge, right click on it. You can click on merge cell option. You can do it by any way. Now another one option is to split the cell. To split the cell, select the cell which you want to split, then click on split cell option. It will ask in how many number of column and row you want to split it. By default, it split the cell into 2 columns and 1 rows. So when you are going to click on OK, the cell is divided into 2 columns and a single row. You can even split the table also. So click on the rows from where you want to split the table and then click on OK button. So from that particular row it will split the table into the next table. You can use auto fit option to automatically resize the column width based on the size of text in them, or you can use the height and width option to change the height and width of column and rows. You can evenly distribute the height of rows and width of column also by using these two options. Then you can align your text to the left, to the center, or to the bottom center in this alignment. You can choose the text direction also, and you can provide the cell margin also by clicking on cell margin option. So this is what all about the different formatting options on table in Microsoft Office Word. Now after performing this practical, you have to solve the practical related questions like what happens to cell content when multiple cells are merged to form a single cell. Also you have to write the answer of explain the concept of splitting and merging cells in the table. Thanks for watching.